Hey everyone! Turning your Google AI Studio project into a physical app on your Android phone is the ultimate way to test your AI's capabilities in the real world. In 2026, the process involves exporting your logic and wrapping it into an Android-ready package. Step 1. Exporting the app link. We are starting inside Google AI Studio. Once your prompt and logic are ready, we're heading to the share icon in the top right corner. We do this because the APK needs a live web address to wrap into an application. Click the Share button and select Get Link or Deploy to Web. The result? Copy the unique URL provided by Google. Ensure the app is set to public so it can be accessed by the APK builder. Step 2. Connecting to App My Web. Now we're heading to App My Web. We do this to create the native Android shell that will house your AI project on your smartphone. Create a new project on App My Web and paste your Google AI Studio URL into the Website Link field. Upload your app icon, choose a splash screen, and set your app name. This is what you'll see on your phone's home screen. Choose a blank template or bar template depending on whether you want a navigation bar at the top. Step 3. Generating the APK. We're heading to the Download or Build section of App My Web. We do this to compile all your assets into a single .apk file that your Android device can understand. Choose Android and select the APK format. This is the specific file type for direct installation on phones. Click Continue and wait a few minutes for the cloud server to package your app. Before you can download the final APK, you must navigate to the pricing or payment page. While App My Web allows you to preview and design your app for free, you will need an active subscription or a one-time purchase to actually generate and download the APK or AAB files. Once the payment is confirmed, the download link for your appdebug.apk will become active. Transfer this to your phone and tap it to install. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.